Hello student, here you have to draw 1,2 dimethyl this cyclopropane mesomers. Here isomers, stereoisomers we will say, cis isomer which is a meso compound, and these two enantiomers which are from the trans isomer. And here position right, draw this structure, and hydrogen is on here is on wedge, so it will be fake configuration. It looks like S, but real configuration is R. Here hydrogen is on dash, so the configuration is like this, rotation is like this. So it is true, because the criteria is if hydrogen is on this dash, at that moment the configuration rotation shows is true configuration. So rotation is looking like this is R, so yes, it is R. And here it looks like S, but actually it is R. Why? Because hydrogen is on here wedge. Okay, so two configuration, 1R 2R, so 1R, 2R dimethyl cyclopropane. And now it is trans enantiomer. Okay, so trans isomer having two enantiomer, 1R 2R and 1S 2S. Here this is 1S and this is 2S, the same criteria. Here this hydrogen is on wedge, and so it will be fake configuration. It looks like R, but really S is true. Okay, here also it looks like S, but it is also S. Why? Because hydrogen is dash, so 1S 2S. Okay, so it is very easily you can understand 1R 2R or 1S 2S. These are trans isomers, these are enantiomers of trans isomer. Okay, so enantiomer of trans isomer has two enantiomer, 1R 2R and 1S 2S. And cis isomer is having meso compound, optically inactive. Why it is so? Although it is having two chiral carbon, this is also having two chiral carbon, this is also having two chiral carbon, right? But here these two are optically active, trans optically active, but meso compound, which is from the cis isomer, it is optically inactive. Why? Because one rotate towards right and other rotate towards left, so we nullified the rotation. Okay, so here if one will be R, then other will be S. Here also if one is S, the other will be R. Okay, so at that time we will say that this is identical, and only one total 1, 2 and 1 cis isomer, so total 3 isomers will be obtained. Okay, so 1S or 2R, 1S 2R dimethyl cyclopropane, 1R 2S dimethyl cyclopropane, optically inactive. So this is meso compound, identical compound. So 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane has 3 possible stereoisomers, 1 cis